So July 1st, we just had 3-day excessive heat wave warning in Seattle, Washington. What that means is in, 76 years, we average about 70 to 80 degrees. And that is what to expect for Seattle, Washington. But this year, they were expecting 106, and we hit up to 109 at certain parts of Washington. And the first day, it was like 98. And then the second day, it got a little hotter, like 102. And on the third day, where it got to 106, is when I saw a lot of my trees, particularly pawpaws. It's a lot worse. It's literally burnt. But we'll just leave it as is, because when it's ready, it'll just drop. I want to keep it in case we do have another heat wave coming on. We do need it to protect the fruit and shade it. You can see it's right there. So without the extra huge leaves, the pawpaw fruit will be vulnerable to having sunburn. So I'll just leave it as is and let it do its thing to recover. But all my trees, the first day of the heat wave, they did quite well. Second day, worse. And third day, not very good. So pawpaw, when they're young, they're very sensitive to sunburn. But when they're older, like at this age, this is just too hot for it to. It is such a short period that it got damaged basically. But the fruit are still holding on, so I'm okay. It's somewhere around here underneath these trees somewhere. But yeah, just wanted to give you guys an update on how the tree looks in July, because we have until October before it actually ripens. And the heat is helping the tree grow faster, except it's also burning the leaves. So I think constant, stable heat is important than a sudden heat that the tree is not prepared for, particularly in this climate. They've never been they're never used to that. So I hope you enjoy this short video.